We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
As it happens, yes, we can help.
Anyway, look, I went on the internet this week and I found this. Yeah. I also found this.
This is the Overwatch Messenger. Water bottles? Check. CCW? Check. Laptop? Check. Instead of having to pack your belongings around what the bag will hold, 511 decided to build a bag around the contents we know you can't be without. From the transcontinental commuter to the boardroom exec, we looked at the gear you have to take with you on a recurring basis and designed a smart-looking bag that sacrifices nothing in convenience and organization. Unlimited options to include your critical supplies? Check. This is the bag you can't be without. This is the Overwatch Messenger.
Come out to the coast, we'll get together, have a few laughs.
So, here we are, and I think I know where you think I know this is going.